Visual estimation means finding a value that is close enough by observation. All we mean by this is we're going to use our eyes and our brain to work something out. We could try to work out, how fast is this person running? Or maybe, how many of my kids' sweets can I eat without my wife noticing? Or maybe just some basic DIY without using a tape measure. So, to recap, we can use visual estimation to work things out like movement, area, distance, quantity. Okay, let's look at an example. Say we had a wall of tiles and we needed to count how many tiles there were to replace them. Now, we could just count every single tile individually, that would be extremely dull. So, we can do a quick estimation. The best way to do this is to count all the tiles on one side and then all the tiles on the other. So, in this estimate we've got 10 tiles along one side, 9 on the other. We're not worried about half tiles, it is only a rough estimate, so that gives us 9 on one side by 10 on the other. Let's do 9 times 10. So that works out as roughly 90 tiles. Okay, let's look at one more example, working out the height of something. So say you want to know the height of this house. We've got nothing to go by except the things near it, the things on it. Luckily, we know that most doors are about 2 metres high. It's about just over the height of a normal person. So we can use that to work out the height of the house. So knowing this, we can imagine what it would look like if we placed a door on top of the door, on top of the door, on top of the door, and sort of guess that the house might be about the height of 4 doors. And if each door is 2 metres high, and there's 4 of them, all we need to do is do 4 times 2, and that makes the house 8 metres tall. We can even use our estimate to make other estimates. In this case, we're going to work at the height of a really tall building that's near that house. So, we just imagine a house being dropped onto another house, and again, well, maybe a half a house. So that gives us 3.5 houses in height. So, having visually estimated that the height of the big building is the same as about 3.5 houses, and knowing each house is about 8 metres in height, we can just work out 3.5 times 8 is 28 metres for the office block. So we just worked out the height of an office block just using the height of a door.